Some of you were guessing right. We came to Arondizuogu, Imo State, to witness the famous Ikeji Festival. We were so excited because we have heard about this festival for years, but never just made it to Nigeria around Easter. No wonder everybody was excited when it was time to walk downtown. Even me, smiling like a small girl, looking forward to see the Mmanwu. But of course, once we heard the bells from the Mmanwu, the fear started to come in. Thank God we had some big men with us that were ready to pay off the masquerade to leave us alone. So we could proceed closer to where everything was happening. The boys even decided to walk ahead, only to quickly run back when seeing the first masquerade ahead. The best place is the one close to Daddy. And even Irokko has found a strategy not to cry. Chill. And once again, after paying them off, we continued our journey to the main road, where we were pretty much overwhelmed by what we saw. Masquerades on the left, masquerades on the right, masquerades everywhere. Welcome to Ikeji Festival. You want to see more of what we experienced? Stay tuned for part 2.